at the Chimi El Tigre, yeah, and this is a Dominican food truck. They got all different types of Dominican foods, and you know Yardie Belly. We have to try it, right? And we're gonna get some real good food. I don't even remember what the name is, but it's a fried sausage thingy, and it's gonna be real good. I saw them on Instagram, and so I decided to come on out. They're on 57th Avenue. 57th Avenue, just before you get to 183rd, in the Raceway gas station, right behind, almost behind the Raceway gas station, and nice music. You see the crazy people them will come with me. In the rain, I must add, we're in the rain, and we're getting. Yes, please, lemon. He's gonna do up some chicken and some chorizo, and it's served with tostones or fried plantains, and we don't even know what else to get. We're just gonna try this one first, and then if we like it, we get more. And I will let you know if the food is good. I'm thinking it's good. Look at that hot dog. Oh, they got all different types of hot dog styles, you know, and stuff. And their reviews are good. I mean, their reviews are good.
He plays for Hawks.
And so, yeah. That's part of what we have to do while we're in America, you know. We have to explore different places and learn different things and, you know, try different stuff. They got an array of sauces: ketchup, garlic sauce, pink sauce, sauce for meat, sauce for patties, different type of sauces right there. And yeah, so it's all about trying new stuff. They got different stuff up there. A lot of it is not in English, but hey, you could see the design, the different something: fried beef, tostones, sweet plantains, and different stuff. And they're open 6 p.m. most evenings, 6 p.m. until 1, 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So if you want late night eating, it's a good place to go. You can search, you can find them online right there. They're online as well, and check them out. Yeah, and if you're in the Miami Gardens area, yeah, you definitely want to try to get some Dominican food. Chimi El Tigre. Chimi, like chimichurri. And yeah, say chimi, longazia, carnita frita, tostones, y mucho más, and much more. Yeah, I'm learning Spanish as I go along. So yeah, just I drop a little thing for you. Just I drop a little information for you. Make you know, people who want to try new stuff can come out, come try it. Yeah, you see the menu here. Watch it, the rain and fall still, but them have a menu.
Look at this huge hot dog loaded.
And them have different stuff. And I think we're getting this. We're getting this. This right here. Let me show you what we're getting. Yeah? Fried meat. We're getting chicken and chorizo with tostones. And them have different stuff. Them have quesadillas. They're down here, quesadillas. They have empanadas, which is like almost like Jamaican patty.
This is interesting. They have a sandwich made with fried plantain.
With tostones as the bread. Yeah. So most definitely, I encourage you, if you want to step out of the box and try something new, come on over to 57th Avenue, right behind the Raceway gas station, just before you get to 183rd, and you will more likely be enjoying the food. Yeah? So the thing set. Yep. See the food there? That's a show, no? This is chorizo with chicken. It has vegetables on the side and tostones over there. Nice, very nice. Look good though. And we're going to taste it and make sure say it tastes good too. Remember, you want to try piece? Take out piece. Now the chorizo is Spanish sausage, and how that tastes? Tastes good. Yeah, she like it, she like it. That means that then just pass. Just pass. And then put garlic sauce. Him say you have the cup right there. You can get more garlic sauce if you want. Especially for the tostones. Yeah, so folks, me I tell you now, come out and try something new. That's all we say. Remember me tell you, you see? Yardie belly, you know what? Foreign. Striking up a conversation with somebody and we just wanted to see his what he got real quick. Oh, see,
Yeah.
beef.
Yeah, the beef.
Yeah, that's the beef right there. Yeah, it's pretty much what we got. Yeah, you know, and that their drink is fresh. Oh, Chimi. This one is the Chimi. That's a sandwich. Yeah, that's a good. Yeah. And their drink is fresh drink. Tamarito. Tamarindo. Oh.
What's that, tamarind?
I think so, yeah. They got tamarind juice, fresh juice, yeah, and it's pretty good, guys. I think that if you want to try something different, if you want to get out of the box and try something else, you want it? I think so. You could always, step out of the box and try something else, yeah. Once again, different type of food, different type of presentation, but hey, good food nonetheless. Remember, me tell you, the wife here got try to get some of the drinks. I think it's tamarind, and everything served with a lime, with a little squeeze of lime, and you get the beef fried up and nice and yeah, man, me I tell you. So hey, yeah, the belly in a foreign, that's how we do it, Why the wife it on salsa queen? Watch her, salsa queen. Come on, baby. Remember, yeah, the belly in a foreign. We'll give back one final video when we eat. But rain a fall, so we can't stay out here and eat. You see? Remember, me tell you.